guys, welcome to another lecture, and in this lecture we're going to talk about some specific things which you really need to do while writing your content. And these couple of things are basically some terminologies or some concepts related to content writing. So there are a couple of things that you really need to do while writing your content, and first of all, we're going to talk about keyword density. So what keyword density is? Density means the number of times certain things is being written in a content, and keyword means, I mean, the word that you are writing, so that specific word. So keyword density means refers to the number of times a keyword appears on a given web page or within a piece of content as a ratio or percentage of the overall content. So the number of time a keyword appear on a web page or a content is its keyword density. So normally in 500 words a keyword should be 8 to 9 times, right? So that's the ideal keyword density for 500 words, and you can calculate it for 1000 words and 1500 words respectively, right? So the next thing is keyword stuffing. Again, it's a very easy concept. Keyword stuffing means stuffing something, stuffing the keywords. Keyword stuffing is when a brand fills or stuffs a web page with the same target term in hopes of ranking higher for that term in search engine. So a search engine, when you're putting the same keyword again and again in the content, so that, I mean, to get it more optimized, in turn what it does for you is that it does not optimize the content but does keyword stuffing. So you should not do keyword stuffing. That's very helpful for your content. It won't track your content in the SEO, and because SEO work in a certain way. So let me now show you that how SEO works and how to avoid keyword stuffing. So use your keywords research results. So as I told you in the previous lecture that you can use Ubersuggest or any premium tool in order to do your keyword research, and after doing your keyword research you have to use it very wisely. An effective way to avoid keyword stuffing into your content is to use the result you get from your keyword research. Common keyword research tool can also generate the list of relevant keyword for you, such as Ubersuggest. You'll then be able to search through the list for related SEO keywords. So what it tells to you is that you have to use more than one keyword in order to get it ranked properly. So find those keywords, write those keywords in a content, for example, and I'm going to show you how you can sort of use those keywords instead of targeting one keyword. So by doing this, you'll be able to swap related keyword around enough to minimize the need to repeat the same ones too many times. However, you'll still be getting sufficient SEO leverage. So what it actually telling you in this paragraph is that you have to use a range of keywords, and you have to use your keywords in a very effective way in order to better optimize it. So SEO, for a better SEO, it is very important for you guys to avoid keyword stuffing and maintain a good keyword density. So long tail keywords. What are long tail keywords? These are basically longer and more specific keyword phrases related to products or services or a specific brand or type of business. They are typically used to attract the attention of searches just about ready to make a purchase. If you're already using long tail keywords, you're on the right track. If you're not, this could be one of the reasons for your keyword stuffing issues. So what it tells you here is that you have to use the long tail keywords. Now what are long tail keywords? These are the keywords which have a more lengthier phrase, such as a phrase. So I'm going to show you, I'm just going to put long tail keywords here. I'm going to search it for you guys. Keyword, I'm going to just put it here. So hold on a second, let my Ubersuggest analyze this search for me. Yeah, so here it is. So these are what is a long tail keyword. What is long tail keyword? Long tail keyword examples What are long tail keywords? Again, finding long tail keywords. So as you can see that this is one keyword. What is a long tail keyword? What is long tail keyword? Long tail keyword examples. What are long tail keywords? Long tail keywords example. Finding long tail keywords. So these are all one keyword, but these are all long tail keywords, meaning that they have 3 to 4 words in one keyword. So you have to use certain kind of phrases, right? You can use your own phrase, create your own phrase around a keyword. For example, let's say for pancakes, right? So for that, you can use your own keywords for that, right? Let my Uber suggest check this document as well. Yeah, so there you can see that these are 2 keywords, these are 3 keywords, these are 4 keywords, and also you can add your own, create your own long tail keywords also. For example, let me just write best pancakes in the world. So now these are four long tail keywords. So while writing these kind of content on the pancakes, right, that's our primary keyword. So I'm going to use more, I'm going to create it, turn it into a long tail keyword. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to add certain things before and after it in order to use it more appropriately. So this is how you're going to turn a keyword into a long tail keyword. As far as this keyword density goes, that is a very fixed thing. You don't really need to do anything extra. You just need to follow the guidelines. 8 to 9 times 500 words, you're gonna manage it somehow, right? But as far as the keyword density stuffing goes, you have to use the same keyword in a different way and different variety. For example, if you're writing keyword example, for example, let's say pancakes examples, pancakes taste, pancake flavors, right? So pancake was my primary keyword, right? That was my main keyword at that time, right? So what I've done here is that I have turned my primary keyword and put some extra words, some meaningful words around it in order to use it. So pancake examples gives a different meaning, pancake taste gives a different meaning. Also in place of taste, if you have to write taste, you can use a synonym of the same word and you can write flavors, right? So this is how you're gonna avoid keyword stuffing. These are all give different kind of concepts and they're used very effectively for a better optimization. So this is how you can avoid keyword stuffing. Don't use the same keyword again and again. Use them in a completely different manner. Use them in a very stylish or very innovative manner, right? So this is how you can avoid keyword stuffing. It's very easy and it takes some practice, but with the passage of time while you're writing it, you're gonna easily manage to avoid keyword stuffing. That's a problem. That will be a problem when you're starting your content writing journey, but with the passage of time, because there are so many tools on the Word as well in which you can just press Ctrl F and you can just put your keyword and right in any kind of Word document, and you can find your the keyword density, that how many times that word is being used, right? For example, this here, it tells me that this keyword is used here and here. So this is how you can really manage to find that how many times that certain keyword is used on the internet, on your content. So these are some basic concepts regarding the SEO. For a better SEO, you have to avoid keyword density, keyword stuffing, and you have to maintain a good keyword density. And please don't forget to use long tail keywords. So that's it for now for this lecture, and that's a sweet and simple concept about keyword stuffing. And keyword density, it is very important and very important for you guys to know and follow, and keep following the lectures and keep practicing content writing. See you in the next lecture.